Have you ever wanted more pleasure in your life? Still in the right space. I gave her the finger guns. It's Rachel. I've been an intimacy coach for 10 years, and so that's inspired me to do this extended series all year long. This month, we're going to be focusing on things your woman wants me to tell you, okay? So having been an intimacy coach for 10 years, speaking to a minimum of 3,500 women individually, that's a very low estimate, by the way, I just have compiled a list of things that women have told me year after year after year after year that they want you to hear. Now, I also want you to understand that this typically comes from two groups of women. We have on one side of the women who swear they've been telling you all along that they know what they want, but you're not giving it to them. And then the other side of the fence, which is a more popular size, by the way, of women who don't know what they want, but they've been told by society, as a man, you already know, so you're gonna be able to fulfill those needs. Oh, ugh. Icky, right? So today what I want to talk about is understanding what sexy means, basically like the definition of your woman, right? Because again, in this culture, in this society, femininity is a construct, right? We are told what it means to be a woman. I clearly identify as very girly, right? I love to do my hair, I love to do my makeup, I love to have a cute outfit, I love to accessorize, I love to grow my nails out. This is what we code as woman or feminine, right? But what if your woman is strong and goes to the gym and likes to rock a messy bun? She still rocks your socks off in the bedroom. She's still a killer mother, but she don't do the dishes or nothing like that, right? Is that an acceptable form of femininity for you? So we both the existing woman in the relationship and the partner, have to get very clear about what it is I identify with, right? And this doesn't have to specifically be about woman versus man, by the way. This is just really more of an expectation of us in a relationship. I love to use this as an example, by the way. I'm in a heterosexual marriage, and in our marriage, I do none of the cooking. I don't do any of the meal prep or any of the grocery shopping because I don't like it. I'm not good at it. I get ADHD. It's too overwhelming for me. And my husband loves to cook. He loves to try new flavors and spices and things like that. So in our household, it is normal that my husband is the full-time cook. Now, that's not as controversial, I would say, as many other types of traits per se that man versus woman are assigned in our society, but it is one small example, and also an important one to see how over time, how that's progressed. Most people wouldn't think twice about the fact that my husband does all the cooking. So can we get to a time where we don't care about any kind of gender roles and ideas, but we can get very specific about what it feels like to be sexy in our relationship, or it feels like to feel loved in our relationship? That's our identity. That's our needs in this current season of life that we have to get very clear on so that we can request them from a partner. And also so our partner understands what those needs are. Otherwise, we're just operating from what we know and understand from previous relationships, from prior programming around pastors, teachers, parents, or anybody of influence. And that's what we're going off of. We're not going off of this individual person sitting in front of me telling me that their needs are different. So it's not wrong, by the way. So important. Never wrong, just different. Okay? Well, we're at the 3-minute mark, so I gotta go. But I'll see you tomorrow. So I hope you subscribe because we got more to come. Love your face.